We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace and reset your drum in a Brother HL2770dw. This printer specifically takes a TN420 for the drum. So go ahead and open your hatch. Pull this lever out here, this is going to be your drum. Now you have this green button. You're going to need to take the toner out of the drum because with this model they're put into one. So hit the green tab, the toner will pop out. Set your toner to the side, trash or recycle your drum, unbox your new one. Then you want to take your old toner, stick it in your new drum. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then you have this guy, little green guy right here. Move this across a couple times. When you do, make sure it's back in this locking position. Once you hear it click, you know it's in, just like that. Stick your unit in here. Yet again, if you hear it click, you know it's in. Leave your hatch open because we need to reset the drum. So how we reset the drum is go ahead and hit the go button until all of these light up. Then shut your hatch. Your printers will then initialize and start resetting the drum. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.